Can you make $1,000 a day as a webcam model? Yes. Webcam models make the most money on the internet, but they need to play it smart. One of the big mistake cam models make is they focus just on one revenue source, which means camming. You can rely on multiple sources of income and can reach to make $1,000 a day producing content. On Live Jasmine, where you as a cam model can start making money through different ways, like monetizing your content as a pay-per-view model, having sexting or texting with your fans, and can stream and get tips from your fans. We'll tell you 7 important things you need to follow to increase your earnings as a cam model. Number 1. Before you log in, establish your daily credit goal. Super simple. Every day you should always have a goal when you log in. Have something you are working towards or working on. It focuses your efforts and improves your results. So start with your daily credit goal, and focus on the money, not on your online time. Number 2. Mentally commit to staying online until you hit that goal. This is key. Some days you will hit your goal easily, other days it will be the hardest thing ever, and yes, some days you will fail. But making the commitment to tough it out when it's slow, or when you get bored, and to keep pushing for credits is an essential skill that you have to learn. Sometimes it will hard to be on cam, but if you keep pushing, sales happen. Number 3. Say hi, by username, to every premium user who enters your room. Whenever they respond, engage them in conversation. Try to avoid, "How are you? How's the weather?" type conversations, and focus on more intimate subjects. Ask them personal questions. What would you like to do? What are you wearing? Do you feel like doing anything with me? These more focused questions lead to conversations that lead to private shows much faster. Your goal is to be arousing with your speech. Members are ready to spend money, so give them what they want. Number 4. Ask everyone that you've engaged in a conversation to help you succeed as a cam model. So look, I am completely brand new at this, I'm just figuring everything out, but I am serious about it, and I'm committed to making it work. So for now, my goal is to just be on every day that I can and try to stay on until I hit my credit goal. If I can manage that, that will be incredible. I appreciate your support. A pretty insane amount of spending is generated by cam models asking the people who are in their room to give them credits so that they can achieve whatever goal they are working on at the moment. Customers always need a reason to spend money. New models tend to overemphasize how much that reason has to be erotic private shows. It certainly can be erotic stuff, and that's the basis of the site. But once you've engaged with a customer, you can do anything with them, and plenty get a similar rush out of tipping or spending to help you reach your goal, rather than just them getting the thing they want. Number 5. Ask everyone that you've engaged in a conversation to try a private show with you. You can follow part number 4 with this instantly, or they can occur at totally different times. If someone does take you private, you can mention part 4 at the end, or right after. When someone contributes to your goal, let them know that they did, and that it meant a lot to you. When you do that, you're making the credits they spent more valuable. Instead of just a transactional credits for performance, the credits have a bonus effect of having contributed meaningfully to an important goal. Customers like that, and appreciate goal-oriented models. Number 6. Be honest, sell out for it. Seriously. If you commit to staying online until you hit your goal and you only have so many hours to do it, and you're running out of time and the goal isn't met, be super aggressive in pushing for credits, shows, tips, whatever you can get.
Number 7. Write everyone who spends money on you after you log off a message and reiterate your appreciation and excitement. It means a lot to them when you do, and makes building a loyal audience a lot easier. It's the easiest thing ever, but very few models take the time to do it. Customers reward the models who do. The vast majority of your income as a cam model will come from repeat customers. People who will show up to your room regularly to spend money. Once you have a fan base, your earnings go up a lot, and you can start competing in contests to win. That's it. Just focus on those things and you'll do great.